Hello everybody, and I am here ready to start your new topic with you. We are going to be doing electricity for inquiry this term, which I'm very much looking forward to. For each lesson you are going to need the worksheets, which will be uploaded for you along with the videos. You are also going to need our exciting knowledge organizer as always, and that will be uploaded for you with lesson 1. Now you need to make sure that you keep that that knowledge organizer with you for every lesson, like it would be in your science book. I've got mine up here, look, so it's always in our lessons. So today we are going to start looking at our topic and how we're going to do things. We're going to start looking at our key vocabulary, and we're going to start looking at how electricity moves around in circuits. For today's lesson, you are going to need your wonderful knowledge organizer. You are going to need the worksheets that have been uploaded. That is a chart that has got an electrical diagram on it for you, and that has got some other activities. So make sure you have those things as well as a pencil so that you can fill everything in, and we will get started with today's lesson. Okay, so today we are going to look at things which do use energy or electricity and things that don't use electricity. If you look around your room at the moment, you will see that some things use electricity and other things don't. What can you see? Chances are whatever you're playing this video on will be using electricity. A laptop, an iPad, something like that. You might see a TV. What else is in your room using electricity? There will be other things in your room that don't use electricity. Perhaps what you're sitting on, a sofa or a chair, a carpet, the things around the room, table, and it depends maybe what they're made out of. Have a look, what can you see? Now on your worksheet for today, you will see that there is a table, one for electrical items and one for non-electrical items, things that don't use electricity. What you need to do now is pause the video and fill in that table. Look around the room, what things can you see, what things can you think of to go in each column. Okay. Pause. Okay, now you've had a look at those, you should have a nice big list in each column. We are going to look maybe at some of the electrical items. We tend to call these appliances. It's a nice new word for today, an electrical appliance. So again, that is something very often that you plug into the wall. That's using what we call mains, a plug that goes into the wall, in this country with 3 metal bits that go in and take the electricity from the wires in your house and then deliver the electricity to what is using it, a TV for example. There will also be some electrical items that run using a battery. Good examples being mobile phones. The battery's inside here, delivering the electricity that the appliance needs until the electricity runs out, at which point the battery will say, I need to be charged, I need more electricity, which of course we can do by plugging it into the mains. Now the scientific word for a battery is a cell. It's a bit confusing with biology, I know, but in physics we call them a cell. And that way, either through mains or from a cell, a battery, your electricity can be delivered all the way around an electrical circuit. and your electrical circuit will make your appliance work. I've got a good example of an electrical circuit up on the board here that we will look in some other lessons. Then our electrical pathway, or the electricity going around the circuit, delivering the energy that's required from the battery, around the wires, to the appliance that needs it, and then back again to the battery where it picks up more energy, ready to go round and round again. Okay, so for the end of each lesson, we're going to look at the key words we have used and what they mean. Today, we have looked at electrical items. So on your vocabulary sheet, your key word that you need to write down is electrical item. I'm going to write mine up here as we go along, just to help you remember. So, we have looked at electrical items. And why they are special. We have looked at the word appliance. So we've got the word appliance there. We have looked at the word mains and what mains means, where the electricity is coming from then. We have looked at the word cell and what that means in science when we're talking about electrical items. And we've looked at an electrical circuit. What an electrical circuit is. So on your vocabulary list, you need to write down those key words in the left-hand column, and then you need to write down what those words mean for today's lesson. We'll do that in every lesson so that you've got a nice vocabulary list at the end. Okay, and I will look forward to seeing you again next week.